Are you planning to start your career in freelancing? Are you ready for it? I am Ajit. I started freelancing when I was 16 and now I have 9 years of experience in freelancing. I have made a lot of mistakes in the beginning of my freelancing journey. So let's talk about a few things so you don't make those mistakes in your freelance career. So who can be a freelancer? If you are a fresher and you have an intention to choose freelancing to make unlimited money, this might not be a good place to start with. If you are an experienced or skilled professional and fed up with your daily job and you prefer flexibility, or if you are looking for some extra money as part-time, you can probably be a freelancer. Even if you are a student having good skills, you can be a freelancer. You can make pocket money for yourself without depending anyone too much. But be sure to charge decent rate from your clients. If you are interested in freelancing, please subscribe to this channel. Lot of useful videos are coming. Okay, let's talk about what should you care about when you start freelancing. If you are starting freelancing, the first thing, never quit your current job. If you are getting salary from your current job, don't quit in the first place. Never think that I will quit my daily job and I am going to be my own boss from tomorrow onwards. Think about your financial situation. How much you are earning right now? What's your expenses? And do you have any emergency backup fund? Think about it. Just realize the initial growth going to be slow until you get a good amount of projects. Yes, we all face that issue in the first place. And don't let yourself down. Be positive and try to produce quality results. Start freelancing as part-time. Find some clients. If you don't know how to get freelance project, check out my other video about the methods to get freelance projects. A link in the video description. Build your portfolio. Try to perform every project with full dedication, even if how small the project may be. Your portfolio is your selling point. You can show people how capable you are with your portfolio. Now let me tell you a few skills you need being a freelancer. First thing, find your skill. Your skill is the most important thing in freelancing. You should have a great knowledge about it. If you are working in an office, you can ask help for your co-workers, but in this case, you can ask friends if you have. Otherwise, you have to depend on Google and YouTube. After finding out your skill, try to improve it and be the best at it. You need a good communication skills. As you are your marketing head, you have to talk to the clients about the projects. So your communication skill and behavior is very important. You should be polite to everyone. You can agree or disagree with the clients, but be humble and polite. You can give suggestions regarding a specific topic. If the clients disagree with it, never argue on it. Also, never allow your clients to be a headache to you. Always remember, never give fake promise, never say yes to everything. Management skill. When you start getting lot of project, you should follow a better management structure. You should do everything in a legal way. Keep document for everything. Take a good amount as advance for your project, like 50 or 60%. So there is a less chance to drop the project by the owner. If you didn't get any advance payment, what if your client got any second thoughts? So keep document all project and sign an agreement, get a decent advance payment and start your job. If you can take care of these things, you can be a freelancer. If you want to know how to get more freelance project, check out this video and we'll see you in the next one.